Hello everyone. Today we'll do the question 10.4 of haloalkanes and haloarenes exercise, and the question is that which of the following has highest dipole moment. So the compounds are CHCl2, CHCl3 and CCl4. So first we will draw the structure. So all of them will have tetrahedral structure. So this is CHCl2. So here Cl bond, then here Cl, and here hydrogen and hydrogen atom. Okay, then again CHCl3, so 3 chlorine molecules, 3 chlorine atoms, and then 1 hydrogen, right? And here CCl4, so all of them are chlorine, right? Now we will see the direction of the dipole moment. So as you know that the direction is from positive to negative, right? So it is towards chlorine here, right? Because here there is delta negative charge and here there is delta positive charge, right? And when you see between hydrogen and carbon, so carbon is more electronegative compared to hydrogen, then the dipole moment direction will be towards carbon, right? So here also towards carbon, and here again towards chlorine, because chlorine is more electronegative than carbon, right? Then if you see here, then towards chlorine from carbon, here also towards chlorine from carbon, here also towards chlorine from carbon, and here the direction of dipole moment will be towards the carbon atom when you compare it with the hydrogen atom. When you will see here all of them are chlorine, so the direction of dipole moments will be towards the chlorine atom, because carbon is electropositive and chlorine is electronegative, right? Now we have to see the resultant dipole moment, so net dipole moment. So when you see the CCl4 molecule, so here the net dipole moment will be 0, 0. Why? Because it is symmetrical and all the dipole moment will be cancelled out. So there will net dipole moment of 0 diopter, right? In the other molecules, you will see here what will you see, that the resultant of your this two CCl and CCl dipole moment, CCl dipole moment, and the HC and CCl, so two CCl molecule dipole moment, so the sum of it will be opposed by CH dipole moment and CCl dipole moment. So these two dipole moments will oppose the CCl dipole moments sum, right? So here it will be around 1.03 diopter, the dipole moment, okay? Now if you see this molecule here, the 2 CCl dipole moment, the sum of the 2 CCl dipole moments will be reinforced by the 2 CH dipole, the sum of 2 CH dipole moment, because they are in the same direction, as you can see. So these are adding, but these are, you can say, subtracting, or they are opposing. So here dipole moment will be more. So here it will be around 1.6 diopter, right? So this is how you can see by seeing the direction of the dipole moments, and then you can conclude about their addition and subtraction of dipole moments, and you can conclude at your result. So you can see that this molecule CHCl2 has the highest dipole moment among the 3 molecules. So the answer is CH2Cl2 has the highest dipole moment among all the molecules given. So this is how we will solve these type of questions. I hope you have understood this question. Thank you.